This little corner right here is going to be my corner. So pillowcases, bonnets, and scrunchies. She was waiting.
Should I talk? Should I not? Should I?
Hey boo, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog. Okay, so this is going to be another work day with me. Girl, this morning was so hectic again as usual. This morning obviously was mommy toddler routine. We had to get ready for daycare, all that kind of stuff. So I brought her to daycare. When I came home, I ate and then I shot a YouTube video, and now it's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock and I finally arrived at my office. Okay, girl, a lot has changed since my previous vlog, okay? Because my previous vlog was from April, I believe. It was before Ramadan started, and yeah, that's like over a month ago. So a lot has changed already. Oh my god, I cannot wait to show you guys what is going on. Most of the furniture arrived and it's so cute. It's so cozy. Like, I cannot wait to show you how it looks now. We painted the office like white, so it looks a little bit more clean, you know. It's just super cute. And the reason why my last vlog was like over a month ago is because in April I took a time off. Seriously, I was traveling. I was in Turkey. Okay, I spent some time in Turkey, vacation, and then, you know, I spent my birthday, and you know, it was just like a much needed break offline. Didn't vlog anything. I posted a little bit here and there on Instagram, you know, my stories as usual, but I was really not in the mood to create content, so that's why I was just like a bit off and a bit inconsistent and absent, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, now May has started. It's actually already mid-May, but you know, I'm trying to get into the work mode again, and yeah, here we are. So yeah, let's go inside, shall we? Because we have so much to take care of today. Okay, we have a huge to-do list. Let's do it. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Currently, it's a bit all over the place, okay? Because the girls just put together this setup, because this Sunday there's gonna be an event. And you know, we have the beamer, so we need some space here. But originally, there are three desks over here. These are our desk chairs, okay? So we got these sponsored, as well as some other cute furniture. It's a bit messy over here because we're still working on things, right? We have a kitchenette from IKEA with the marble top. We have a sink, of course, a faucet, but I don't know where it is. It was here the other day. I don't know where it is, okay? But we're still working on it because IKEA lost some of our stuff, okay? So we cannot finish the whole setup. But yeah, this was much needed, okay? Because we need a space to put our, you know, cleaning products, mugs, forks, knives, all that kind of stuff. This little corner right here is going to be my corner. I still don't know how I'm gonna set up everything. I still have to think about, you know, my cameras and all kind of stuff, but that's for another time because it's a bit messy right now. Because, you know, this week we put together all of this stuff from IKEA, chairs, and the meeting room. Oh my god, I cannot wait to show you guys the meeting room because it's so cute. But here, oh my gosh, look at this. So this is going to be our stylist corner. We got this for free. A super cute, comfortable hairdresser chair, right? So, you know, if you're a makeup artist in this area, or a curly hairstylist, or just, I don't know, if you want to do something and you want to rent a chair, you can do that in our office. You know, it's going to be super cute. We have a huge mirror here. Okay. And some shelves with products. Some brands already send over some products, such as Curly Girl Movement, they send over a ton of stuff, okay? This is a Dutch brand and they create curly hair products and they are amazing, okay? I have a few of them, but I think about filming a dedicated review on these products. And this is Keep Your Natural, a brand from Brussels, okay? And they create these gorgeous, high quality silk products, silk pillowcases, bonnets, and scrunchies. Wow, super, super good quality. Oh my gosh. Love it. Okay, so more brands are going to be put on these shelves. Some brands already reached out to us and they are going to, you know, fill up the space for visibility because, you know, a lot of people are going to rent this chair and everyone will see this. So it's kind of like a win-win situation. This is a bit the overview, how it's currently looking. Oh my God, let me take you to the meeting room. So these beautiful doors, you know, last time they were like green, now they are white. These are beautiful glass doors. Okay, girl. You are waiting. Waiting.
Let me
She was waiting.
Should I talk? Should I not? Should I?
Girl, do
Hi,
you? Hi. So
this is the meeting room.
Yeah, this is the meeting room and this is Sade. She's working here. She has her own wedding and event planning agency.
Yes, I do.
All the links.
Company.
Yeah, Fair and Company. All the links will be in the description box, girl. Check them out, okay?
Okay.
So this is the meeting room. Super cute. Okay, we still are waiting for our furniture to be installed, but other than that, this is going to be the spot, okay? We are going to chill in this space.
We're renting this space as well, so
Yeah.
if you is in Antwerp, if you're looking for a meeting room, holler.
Yeah, definitely. So if you're looking an entrepreneur and you're looking for a cute space to work in private, you can do that as well in our office. So yeah, this is a bit it. A huge update. You know, it's a huge difference on how it was looking 1 month ago. Yeah, yeah, huge.
A little better.
Yeah, yeah. Every week is like a little upgrade because you know how it was looking in the beginning. You guys know it was a bit, yeah, a bit old, but you know here we are and it's looking amazing already. Oh, so much dust. Okay, so we're gonna spend literally the whole day cleaning this whole place. And there is going to be my office area, like where I'm gonna put my desk and stuff.
You want to open the window? Here it is.
Oh wow, nice, nice.
From the... Maar dat is best
Girl, there's dust everywhere in my hair. Like I need to take a good shower after this day. Floors are looking so much better already. Someone's already cleaning the walls again, removing all the dust from the walls. But other than that, like we're on schedule. I'm happy. Okay, so it's the end, almost the end of day 2. And this is how it's looking. Here's the meeting room going to be. And you see those glass walls? They are going to separate the meeting room from the rest of the space, which is going to be awesome. Those vintage glass doors are incredible. They are still a bit dirty because, you know, they're old, but someone's going to install these this week. The furniture store is going to sponsor us with all the furniture we need for the meeting room. And then over here is going to be our hairdresser space. So yeah, I can't wait for the event. Okay, it's going to be an event about trading and investing this Sunday, and a lot of people are going to show up. So yeah, busy week. Pokeball. I can eat this every day. every day of my life.
Same here.
Thanks.
This and sushi.
Yeah, sushi.
Yes. All right.
Wow.
You smell what you know.
Yeah. I love me some pokeballs. Pokeballs. Pokeballs.
That's echt food.
Yeah. With sweet potato, rice, steak. Guacamole.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what is
Okay, we just picked up some drinks for the events. This Sunday, I'm out of breath because these things are heavy. And mind you, there are a ton of stairs here, so we had to carry all these things with 2 people on the stairs. Okay, so it's actually pretty late already. It's almost 4:30 in the afternoon, so I almost have to leave to pick up Amari because there's some traffic. I don't want to be stuck in traffic. It's only a 20-minute drive, but still, like, I want to be on time, you know. I'm tired. Okay, it's currently 7:30 in the evening. I was stuck in traffic. Like, the traffic was unreal. Like, I didn't expect it to be that much traffic, but there was a lot of traffic. So, girl, it was a struggle, okay? I picked up Amari. Amari is here. She just finished eating, so she's watching some YouTube videos right now because I need to go ahead and clean this kitchen, okay? I want to do that before, you know, I put her to bed because, you know, when I put her to bed, after that, I just want to be like done for the day. Like, I just want to relax, don't need to think about anything, you know, because most of the times I clean the kitchen and all of this stuff and all the mess and the toys when she's sleeping, and lately I've been just like feeling unmotivated to do that. So I want to get that done while she's still awake, so when she's asleep I can relax as well, and I need that so bad. So let's clean this mess, shall we? Okay, let's do it. Let's just do it. Let me put some music on and just clean this kitchen real quick.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way.
All right, kitchen is done. It's clean. Oh my gosh. This gives me such a good feeling when my kitchen is clean and empty like this, okay? But finishing touch, the kitchen is closed, okay? This is the universal sign that the kitchen is closed, okay? Usually I do this in the evening, you know, when it's a little bit dark and this light is kind of cozy, so that's why I always turn this light on in the evening. But you know, kitchen is closed. I ain't gonna do anything anymore today. Okay, it's gonna stay like this until the next day. But I do still have like one pot, and I'm gonna let it soak until tomorrow because I ain't doing that anymore today. Okay, I'm done. It took me 30 minutes to finish the kitchen, and I can tell that Amari is getting tired, so I'm gonna bath her and put her to bed, and then I'm off for today. And tomorrow is definitely wash day for her. She got yogurt in her hair. So I'm gonna need to remove this hairstyle and do it all over again tomorrow. Wash her hair, detangle her hair, and yeah, you know how it goes. Oh my gosh, her hair has grown so much. Okay, it's almost 9 o'clock. I don't know if you guys saw that. Amari had bath time. I gave her milk. We cuddled a little bit, and now she's finally asleep. I did that. It took me like over an hour to do all of that, but it's just, you know, she's in a stage where she's just a bit fussy. She's like stalling bedtime. She want to play a little bit more, talk a little bit more. You know, she's fighting her sleep. Even though she's tired on another level, she won't give in. So yeah, that's just a bit a struggle at the moment, but it's okay though. Like, it's okay. So I hope this vlog made some sense. I really don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm gonna see when I edit this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end, girl. You're a real supporter if you watch all my vlogs, because my vlogs usually don't get much views. So I'm super happy that you watched till the end. Okay, I'm so grateful and thankful for that. So thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.